Hey everyone, I'm Nicole here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of these JBL C100SI earphones. On left we have the brand statement, on right we have the functionalities of this button, on the back we have price and other information of this earphone. This is how the bottom portion of the box looks like. Let's unbox these. We have two earbuds in this packet, small and big, medium is pre-applied. Let's keep these earphones to the side and see what else we have in the box. This is just a paper. This is the safety information guide of these earphones. Here we have some sort of Chinese thing. I don't know what is it. This is the warranty information of these earphones. This is how the earphones looks like. And we have the left and right markings on the earphones, as you can see. We have a JBL branded mic, and here we have one button. Here we have gold plated 3.5mm jack with JBL branding. In case if you're using a Mi phone, just go to settings and go to additional settings. There we can see headphone and audio effects. Turn on the Mi sound enhancer and select the first one so you can get the more bass effect. Coming to the sound clarity, we can hear good amount of bass, treble, and the voice comes alive with this one. These earphones are all-rounders in terms of sound. So that's for now guys, I'll talk to you in my next video. Subscribe Nicole Tech to watch more videos like this. If you like this video, click the like button. And thanks for watching guys, have a nice day.